for and then so Yankopon ya drum na teklemada bo twem na mojedi mo afusania na agodoma kuma ochedi ampon Yankopon na wose eda na se de bioye ya pede ne hwehwe no otumi eyema yen na yen sa itimi eka ni a yepe eda na se yi na ye kanfo ne sheni nkwanu nyam for his mercies, for his love, blessings and everything he has given us, the life, the good life he has given us. We say glory be unto his name. We praise his name, we magnify his name for the opportunities, the blessings and everything he has given us. For healing us our wound, healing us our sickness, for raising us up when we're weak and all kind of stuff. He is the great God and the Lord of Lords. He created us in all powers. We adore your name, we praise your name. For and then so send the via money channel the other dear I talk assume na you drew na boy and dad addition and a bro. Now yet not see na obi anso nim say answer na betimi atro bibia edimu na beti akenkan bibi edimu no e wo se utimi hu atre ama no enyina se wo English I friend no alphabet, letters of alphabet. So ba akan kasemu anase twi kasemu so I friend no atre ama janu na me no mi no enda ye bisua bibi afrim se de ba ya e betimi aboa yen na yetimi atro akan kasa na yetimi so akan kasa emundao na emote nti say yenche ho no call the main lesson for today no eso akan atro embano the letters of the alphabet, the Akan alphabet English different letters of the alphabet nti ya hwe we ni akan atro mane ya wo a b d okay ya hwe a b d e f g h I k m n o p r s t u w j enti we ene akan atre amano a b d e f g h I k m n o p r s t u w j enti mesrawo fa won sa esiso atwa mai so na kanu mako sene mekan no obetimi repeat and say repeat sa addition na etimi awana akọ back na wasan I replay na we what sounds ni yi na etimi abo yen hwe ne eto aso na yen hye ne so nsrawo hye ne so yi a b d e f g h I k m n o p r s t u w j pacho sawati ati wa shene sun yi na okay yenko su biyo a b d e f g h I k m n o p r s t u w j okay ni ye pa bonsema aya ande so wetimi akan ya ye wakan ya de ni na mi gidi se we abwa wana bo Akan atwe amba no senia yesi ekan no anase kwan a yefa so eputin ema no yeyi onko a me ma sema baako no sema any 30 seconds fa kan ni na mehwe enti de baba bia no abudin budin kese ma onua na ote wonchen no wanti so wati ana sisi ya okay yankwai 1 2 3 okay good mo why dear aha no ana woka no yiro ho why dear pa ultimate kai wow why dear bon say ma ho why dear say with me akan ni na yenhwe na etwaso no ene say letter ebeyra no eno ena obeka letter bi ayra pe we ebe contentem edition so ayra pe no abudin nti yenhwe chene so en pialet ma hombra ho so bi say one chene tempe ebeyra ho letter ko okay ayra ya na kwa abudin okay wow so tin bo ni na din aya de eda wase se wo de wagene amame na adisua no ekoso kama ni edidi suyi aba waka kanedin e pese wo kan iti kanedin na wonu a ote wonchen na so entese ane wo kan bibi nti dia ba no de obi hu woso no eno din na obebo okay nti dia da so no medikan ashasi ama wo video ba bia meja ya ma no ato aso de oye ba d o a u e f p r t h k o s w j g what was it when a draw so also I can with the amayashi into yenshas here era na waka nia era no I don't know about sisi ya credit pese ene ne say si ya etani ya era pe na wachro ato o paper so si for pen and paper etani ya era pe na wachro de right ato so si show letter no na ready be era no the hen era ayeje general yen era wo yen era so ntichros yen era o tro o yen era tro so tro to trade the answer k tro k h tro h uhuye t tro t r tro any be on a very out here p tro p f e what should I be okay u a u e d b the aka was in there media chow a bonus so natural can na say ni hoche no eno ano no eba na wakan. Okay. Good. I idea. So to me, Akan ye. I'm what here. Okay. Since here, so the do no. Shortcut I know what you're doing. By na mpesa bayira. Okay, I think Matthias here. Hwene aba no. Afi kania eyere no enso. Din. It's you. Okay. So to me, now to me, how to so extra also. I idea. In kakra no, a beboa, am I with me who idea. Send a show the both letters of the Akan letters of the alphabet and see a can and you see a train. As soon as I any mammy ya and a beboa waiting actually a can casa a motia na emoso and dao na entiasia and so room. Near age media, I do so, they say, before character and no pen and paper. Na watch your na tre a tre amber if we are equity here. Tre a mano if we are equity here. Fakrata any tradia natre atre emma if we are a coffee equity ye. If we are equity ye into Shannon na young makama. Take a pen and paper and write all the Akan letters from A to Y, from A to J. Write all the Akan letters of the alphabet from A to J. Thank another for and I was say I share video, you know, taking this lesson very serious. Now I saw say obey and say best subscribe it. Na was share this channel, one like it. You know, any more you can feel so it be this channel, best subscribe it. Na one like it, was share so the yeah. The new video where this year phone bia beto ono ma obuso osabeti mi aka isan so be kan busu ani hunti no na aboa yen na yetimi ayeden yetimi akoso na aboa this channel and this channel so etimi enyin every adumu akọ adumu enti yeda basi bibia o hwa yen na aden ha be kan busu ho no da mo nyina se onyakopon hwa mo no mo kese amen.